Understanding pour into the pan, a simple guide for English learners. Hello and welcome to today's English language learning video. Today, we're going to explore a common English phrase, pour into the pan. This phrase is often used in cooking contexts, but it's also a great example of how English uses specific verbs for different actions. So, let's dive in and understand every aspect of this phrase. Pour into the pan is a phrase that combines a verb and a prepositional phrase. The verb, pour, means to transfer a liquid or substance from one container to another by making it flow steadily. The prepositional phrase, into the pan, specifies where the action is directed. A pan is a type of cookware used for frying, searing, and browning foods. In cooking, pour into the pan is commonly used in recipes and cooking instructions. For example, pour the batter into the pan, or pour oil into the pan before frying. This phrase is essential in cooking as it describes a fundamental method of adding ingredients to a pan. Understanding this phrase can help you follow recipes more easily and improve your cooking skills. Let's look at some visual examples of pour into the pan. Here, you can show a video clip or images of someone pouring different ingredients into a pan. Notice how the action is smooth and controlled. The person carefully directs the liquid or substance from one container into the pan. This visual representation helps to reinforce the meaning of the phrase. English learners often confuse pour into with similar phrases like throw into or put into. It's important to remember that pour specifically refers to a flowing action, usually involving liquids. Also, pay attention to the preposition into, which indicates movement towards the inside of the pan, different from onto, which would mean on top of the surface. Let's practice using the phrase. I'll give you some sentences, and you try to complete them. 1. After heating the pan, blank, the oil into it. 2. Can you, blank, the soup into the pan without spilling? 3. We need to, blank, the melted chocolate into the pan for the cake base. Answers. 1. Pour. 2. Pour. 3. Pour. I hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, pour into the pan. It's a simple yet useful phrase in both cooking and English language learning. Remember, learning a language involves understanding these small, everyday phrases that make up so much of our daily communication. Keep practicing, and you'll be using English more confidently in no time. See you in the next video.